So you want to return your vehicle.
Because I'm moving to the city. My dad gave me his car.
I just don't know what I want to do yet.
Well, look, from everyone here at Toyota, we've loved having you as a customer, and you will be missed.
I hate breakups.
Don't worry, we'll walk you through everything you need to get started. First things first, make sure you register or log on to your TFS online account to access a number of self-service tools to help you streamline the return process.
Doing it right now.
Next up, about 60 days before you return your vehicle, we recommend you schedule a free vehicle pre-inspection with AutoVin. It's fast, it's easy, and they'll even come to you at your home or office.
Well, that makes it easy.
Next, browse ToyotaFinancial.com for our handy guide detailing what's considered acceptable wear and use. And if you happen to purchase excess wear and use protection with your lease, you can relax.
Always do. Always be prepared is my motto.
Because you're covered for eligible repairs.
Certainly am.
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need some repairs.
Then simply look up your nearest authorized Toyota service center. They'll take a look, and if you need to get any work done, they'll make sure it's with genuine Toyota parts, which it will be if you're at an authorized center.
So I get the work done, and then what?
Contact TFS to order another inspection when your vehicle is returned.
And how does that work? Returning my car, do I need to bring anything with me when I drop it off?
And should I make an appointment?
Your originating dealer is required to take your vehicle, but you can help streamline the process by contacting your dealer online or by phone to schedule an appointment.
I'm gonna do that, but what do I need to bring?
Here's the list of things you may need to have at your lease return appointment if they apply to you. All sets of keys, owner's manual, toolkit, any originating equipment that came with your vehicle. What's
They're
that?
fuzzy dice. They hang on the rearview mirror. Oh, they didn't come with the car, did they?
Basically, if it came with the car, it needs to be returned with the car. So next up, vehicle inspection. This will happen within a few days of you returning your vehicle if you didn't complete an inspection prior to returning. Feel free to take photos of the condition of your vehicle, sign a statement, and record the name of the dealer associate who helped you with the return.
And that's it.
Almost. TFS will then send you a final invoice detailing any unpaid payments, late fees, and miscellaneous charges. The invoice will also include excess wear and use charges, mileage charges, and disposition fee.
What about my security deposit?
If you made a security deposit, it will be returned to your home address via check.
Cha-ching.
I forgot to update my address when I turned in my last lease, and it took forever to get my check.
Oh, good call. I'm gonna do that right now. How do I do that?
You can validate your address by logging onto your TFS online account.
Got it.
And of course, it will first be used to pay any lease and invoice charges you may have. And remember, don't forget to immediately cancel any recurring electronic payments you may have set up with your bank.
Excellent.
Fantastic!
Wait, hold up. What if I need to return my car a little early? Like 3 months early? What? I'm moving to the city.
If you're planning to return your vehicle early, there are a series of additional steps that you'll need to take. Contact your Toyota dealer for options and get your early return balance.
Got it.
More questions? Download our vehicle return checklist. Reach out to your local dealer with questions or contact a TFS loyalty advocate at 800-286-0652. Toyota Financial Services, making your lease end nice and simple.